Hi everyone, today we're going to show you how a locksmith is coding a 2015 Jeep Renegade transponder key. The 2015-16 Renegade has two options. One of them is a push to start or key fob, and the second option is a transponder key, which you actually have to put in the ignition. This is what we are going to show here. If you are interested, we also have another video how to code a key fob for 2015 Renegade. Enjoy!
Hello everybody, working on a 2015 Jeep Renegade flip key. Very unique key for Jeep. It's probably one of their only models that they use this for the Renegade. Currently we have a regular key in the ignition, and this is our machine here that's going to help us program the key. Right now what the machine is doing, it's reading the file of the key from the vehicle's computer. It's backing it up to our machine, and then we'll send the file to this machine. Now this machine, what it does, it pre-codes the key. So when it asks us to insert the key into this machine will generate the file and send it into the key's chip, which is right about here, so we can program the key. So I got two keys ready to go. And as you can see, it says, please wait while we back up the immobilizer data, meaning the machine right now through the OBD port is extracting the key information from the car's computer and then sending it, like I said, to this machine for programming. Once it's done, we should have two working keys with program button, and that's it. So make sure whenever you need a key made for this car, you need a locksmith that's capable of doing it. This is not your normal Chrysler Jeep programming. Thank you for watching.